Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another video. We are back in the bathroom doing our hair. I have this upgraded kinky curly V-part wig from UNice. So I'm going to try to twist my hair and then dry it under a blow dryer, under a hair dryer type situation to see how that blends. So this is a 24-inch upgraded V-part kinky curly unit. I don't have my hair braided down, and I be trying to do a little 1-2 myself with the like braids, but since the hair is so big, I think I could get away with like putting my hair in a ponytail and flipping it up. So that's what we're gonna try to do today. So here is the ins and the outs of the unit. There are some clips, of course. There's a comb in the back as well as a drawstring. I love that the wigs are going back to like drawstrings. Let's try this on because I haven't tried this one on to make sure it like fits perfect. I want to be able to leave just that amount out. So I already washed and defined the curls on this unit. Okay, we're gonna try this itsy bitsy little piece here. That's not even. Wait a minute. Yeah, might as well do that. Okay, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail. A low ponytail. Okay, so I have like these random old school clips instead of a bobby pin, and it might come loose, so I gotta hurry and put my wig on. Let's put the wig band over my ponytail hump. That's helpful. Okay. Uh-oh. Done lost my leave out. Okay, cool. This might work. I think this might be the perfect amount of leave out. We gotta get as close. Okay. As close to our part as possible. Perfect. And so since all the hair kind of covers the clip now, it should be an easier blend. I love that they're all doing that now. Okay. I haven't even disrupted the curls since I kind of set them. So they're like clumped together at the bottom. And I don't really want to mess that up. It's so cute and so perfect. And y'all know with kinky curly hair, the more you touch it, the more you do, it just expands. So these curls are nice and tight, real tight and juicy. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to wet my leave out. I know, crazy. Let's get this out the way. I'm going to wet my leave out. So I'm also going to go in with some styling mousse. Should I braid it or twist it? Like this. only have like 2 braids, well 2 twists on each side. So we have 2 little twists, and honestly I was gonna sit under a dryer so it can dry, but I think I'm just gonna let it air dry. It shouldn't take that long because the hair is so small, but I might go under the dryer too. Okay, it's been like 2 hours since my hair has been drying, and I think it's dry, and fingers crossed that this turns out okay, because wait, I'm gonna spray a little bit of like kind of like the sheen, because the styling foam made it a little stiff. I saw this one curling hack. I'm gonna see if it works. So I saw this lady take the hair. She took the hair, she wrapped it around a rat tail comb, right? This is what she did. This is a little harder to do than I thought. Okay. Alright. Okay, I'm not going to be able to hold the tip. Okay, she did this, and then she took her flat iron, and she like warmed the hair up. That makes sense. Let's see. Okay, get off the comb. Wow. Okay, that's exactly what she did. Okay. Cause where else you gonna find a curling iron this small, you know? Okay. Alright. Oh, voila. And that's what she did. Okay, that's pretty cool. I missed hair. That's really cool, actually. So let's do this one. Yeah, I don't want to burn my hand. Wow, look how little that is. Let's do them both, actually. Okay, let's see how my short piece is trying to play, so we're going to touch it under. Okay. Whoa, I'm trying to hold it on there too long. I love that. Okay, I'm liking that. I'm liking that a lot. And then I'm just going to separate them, because you know we got to cover that. Wow, that is so smart. And look how it just covers up. She ate with that one thing. You're trying not to burn myself. That is just so neat to me. Easily impressed. That's crazy. I didn't even get the ends on that, but all I gotta do is like, what's a style with no edges? It's nothing. Okay, y'all. literally the smallest amount of leave out. Look at that. There's the weft. What weft? You know? What weft? What weft? So here is the finished look. Really stinking cute. I would cut some layers in this, but I kind of don't want to mess this one up, because y'all know how I get when I get scissor happy. And I'm just gonna like take my comb to like tuck my hair in there, if that makes sense. We're tucking my hair in there, but not trying to disrupt what we got going on, because this is kind of straight here. So we're just gonna leave that like that, because we know what we gotta do. And, or not. We're not gonna leave that straight because it's gonna bother me. We gotta curl her up. Cute. Super cutesy. Tuck that bang in. And voila. Super duper full. Love that for me. Can do a cute little tuck. Please. What? So stinking cute. Okay? Cute. I love this. So cute. So full. You literally don't have to worry about anything. And look at that. Please. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to list all of UNice's hair information in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to this cutie pie that I'm wearing. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.